This is 93 Honda Civic Del Sol SI, affectionately known to me as Vivian. Everyone else knows it as Soul Reaper. I found this car in Manchester, Tennessee, roughly 3 years ago. All stock, original. I was surprised that the homeowner had it and was going to sell it to me. Drove it home. Spent 3 years of my life doing every little bit of what I could to it to make it look and handle and drive and feel like it does now. D16 Z6, original stock engine, nothing more than some headers, coilovers, lower control arms replaced, tires, wheels, everything else pretty much as it was.